everyone, welcome to RMJ Tales with Renya.
Yeah.
Anchito,
In today's video, we are going to show you Chinatown.
Chinatown.
If you plan to visit Chinatown by public transport, the nearest underground stations are Leicester Square, Tottenham Court Road, and Piccadilly Circus. Chinatown is a small town in London. To be more specific, in London's West End. It is one of the oldest areas of London and has been designated by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. There is a small history to the formation of Chinatown in London. The original Chinatown in London was in a place called Limehouse in East London. Limehouse was a former dockland where Chinese workers at the East India Company lived. Due to decline in shipping and destruction of the area during World War II, people moved out from there. The Chinatown that you see now, which is in London's West End, started to form in the 1950s when a handful of Chinese restaurants opened in here. Within a decade, this place became a hub for Chinese culture. Here you can see the streets decorated with red lanterns and Chinese symbols like dragons and lions. The street signs are written in English and Chinese. You can also see stone lions in front of some shops. Chinatown is home to some wonderful, authentic Chinese food shops and bakeries, as well as shops selling Asian cosmetics, Chinese medicine, and Chinese inspired trinkets and gifts. We spotted this shop that has tanks housing live crab and lobsters. There were also clams, prawns, octopus, eels sitting on beds of ice. You could buy frozen fish and other seafood as well from here. They also have a section selling different kinds of meat. They also have a grocery section selling various types of sauces, spices, and Chinese snacks. One of the common food that you can see here is Dimsum, a Chinese cuisine snack that looks similar to a dumpling. Chinatown has a wealth of restaurants that serve not only Chinese food but other cuisines including Korean, Malaysian, Vietnamese, Taiwanese, and Japanese. You will find a lot of options for East and Southeast Asian cuisines. There are a lot of places offering buffet for a fixed price where you need to pay upfront and can choose to have unlimited quantity from a range of dishes. This is the Chinatown Gate on Water Street that was completed in 2016, built by Chinese artisans. Having seen a quiet Chinatown, let's see how the same town looks like on a Chinese New Year day. The Chinese New Year or the Lunar New Year is celebrated between late Jan and mid Feb. 2023 is the year of the rabbit. There are 12 animals in the Chinese zodiac sign, and each year is represented by a zodiac animal in the repeating zodiac cycle of 12 years. London has the biggest Chinese New Year celebration outside Asia. Based on the lunar and solar calendars, the actual date varies each year. There is an association called the London Chinatown Chinese Association, or the LCCA, that conducts the festival every year. The main places to spot the celebrations are Chinatown, Shaftesbury Avenue, Charing Cross, and Trafalgar Square. You are now about to witness one of the important and interesting part of the Chinese New Year celebration, which is the line dance. Drumming is the heart of the show. The beat of the drum signifies the heart of the lion. On a lion, you can see a mirror that is used to repel negative energy and a red ribbon signifying that the lion is awake. As the lion begins its dance, it will bow 3 times, each representing heaven, earth, and man. The lion dances through local shops and homes, clearing away unwanted spirits. Usually, there would be hung a green produce in the doorway. The lion will eat the green produce and spit it out, which represents the lion spreading wealth, prosperity, and good luck. The lion may wrap its mouth over one of your limbs. It's just the lion being playful. Red is the color of the Chinese New Year. The Chinese believe that the color red brings good luck. So they believe that on the New Year day, if you buy something red, it will bring good luck for the rest of the year. People buy red lanterns, red charms, and dolls of the rabbit since this is the year of the rabbit. They also buy dolls and charms of the lion, dragon, and other zodiac animals. Here is the lion dance again. Did you know that the lion dance is also a representation of martial arts schools? The London Fire Brigade has a station at Soho in the heart of Chinatown, and the firefighters take part in the Chinese New Year parade every year. On Chinese New Year Day, the firefighters were explaining firefighting to little children and were also letting them take photos with the fire engines and a dragon at the fire station. The grand finale of the Chinese New Year celebrations take place at Trafalgar Square. There are a lot of traditional Chinese dance performances, music shows, and martial arts displays. The rabbit is one of the 12 Chinese zodiac signs that represents a long and lucky life, symbolizing pureness, auspiciousness, and peace. If you were born in 1951, 1963, 1975, 1987, 1999, 2011, or 2023, you are known as a rabbit. So that was our video on Chinatown and the Chinese New Year. Hope you liked the video. Bye.